everyone, welcome to Cofinex Exchange, your go-to channel for honest, simple crypto education. So today I'll talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the name everyone knows, but very few truly understands about it. So today I'll talk about what is Bitcoin, how is it created, why does the price change, and what is Bitcoin halving. In this video, I'll explain it step by step in the simplest way possible. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital money. Why is it decentralized? Because it is not controlled by any bank, any government, or any company. Bitcoin works on the blockchain technology and allows people to send direct money to each other anywhere in the world. Why was Bitcoin created? Bitcoin was created to solve three problems. Number one, too much controls by bank. Number two, high transaction fees. Number three, slow international transfers. Bitcoin gives people financial freedom and transparency. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoins and verifying transactions. But mining does not mean digging from the ground. Mining is done by using powerful computers. How Bitcoin mining works? So I'll explain you step by step. Step 1, transaction happens. People send Bitcoin to each other and these transactions wait for confirmation. Step 2, miners start competing. Miners use computers to solve complex math problems. Step 3, first miner wins. The miner who solves the problem first confirms the transaction and adds a new block to the blockchain. Step 4, reward given. The winning miner gets new Bitcoins and transaction fees. And this reward is called block reward. Why Bitcoin mining is important? Bitcoin mining is important because it secures the network, prevents fake transaction, and keeps Bitcoin decentralized. How Bitcoin mining affects Bitcoin price? Bitcoin mining affects Bitcoin price in two main ways. Number one, limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Mining slowly releases new Bitcoin. In the basic economy, less supply plus more demand is equals to higher price. This is how limited supply affects the Bitcoin price. Number two, mining cost. Mining requires electricity, hardware, maintenance. If mining becomes expensive, then the miners won't sell Bitcoin cheaply. This supports the price. What is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is an event where mining rewards are cut into half. It happens every 4 years and after 210,000 blocks. Why Bitcoin halving happens? It happens to control inflation, reduce new Bitcoin supply, and make Bitcoin scarce. Example, earlier miners got 50 BTC, then 25 BTC, then 12.5 BTC, and now it's even less. How Bitcoin halving affects the price? When rewards are reduced, new supply decreases and demands often stays the same or increases. This imbalance leads to the price increase over time. So, halving is important in the Bitcoin history. So, I'll give you a simple example to understand Bitcoin halving. Imagine gold becomes harder to mine every 4 years. So, less gold enters the market and gold becomes more valuable. This is how Bitcoin works in the same way. So, finally, what did we understand in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital money which is limited in supply and secured by mining, designed to become scarce over time. Understanding mining and halving will help you understand why Bitcoin is valuable. So if this video has helped you, then like, share and subscribe to Cofinex Exchange for more crypto educational videos. See you in the next one.